So in case you're not aware, this is Windows Vista, right? Windows Vista. You know Windows Vista? I know Windows Vista. Everyone knows Windows Vista, and everyone, for some reasons, hates Windows Vista. I started hating it already because during the installation, it got me multiple errors, and they had to do the process of installing that thing twice or three times, which is fine. Took me around 40 minutes to an hour to install, but here we are, Windows Vista itself. What do we have in here? Of course, I'm not going to connect that thing to the internet for some reasons, because I know this is not safe to do whatsoever. But what do I do now? It's installed. I know I need to install the drivers, right? Right. I need to install the drivers. But how do I install the drivers? Optical drive. I'm in trouble. How do I do that? I don't know how to do that. Oh my God. It should be somewhere in here. I know you gotta install it from the optical drive that shows up somewhere in your home screen or something. It's super laggy, which is annoying. Wow, where's my PC thing? I don't see that. We usually see that in Windows 7, but it's not here. Huh, interesting. Documents? Do I have any documents? This is actually so painful. Super slow. Let's just close it. I don't want to look at this anymore. Oh my God. What the hell am I doing? Close. Thank you. Now, how can I get the drivers installed in that thing? Preferences? No, I don't need to. It's somewhere in here, but where? Take a screenshot. Oh man, I don't know how to do that. Devices, optical, audio, USB, shared folder. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, what do I do? Let's Google it. Let's just Google it. How to install drivers and Windows. No. Oracle, VMbox, Windows, Vista. Help I find an answer. I don't need any videos. Installing graphic drivers, VirtualBox R. Okay. Actually, the guest inside. I don't know what that means. Installing graphic drivers. There's no graphic drivers. A brand new commercial social package using Windows 7. Oppa, no. Okay. Guest VirtualBox drivers for Windows. All right. Here we are. Guess I gotta download this, right? Am I doing the right thing? Yep, I am doing the right thing. All right. Wait for the slow installation, no, the downloading of the VBox Guest Edition 6.1.0 ISO. Let's see. Please work, please work, please work, please work. I hope it does work. I have all my hopes on that thing. So come to storage, add this, optical drive, add, come here, come to download. Select this, click choose. Now it's here. Okay, click OK. Come back to the virtual machine. It's showing up somewhere in here. All right, how do I ready to use? So it did show up in the Windows Vista virtual machine, but how do I get that thing to work? Okay, so come here. It's going to be somewhere in computer. Yeah, right. Am I right? Yeah, computer. Here you go. Wait. I didn't have to do that in the first place. It's over here already. I'm so stupid. I'm really so stupid. Okay, what should I run? This one or this one or this one? I don't have ARM x86. I think this one. You know, I'll just run this one for the sake of this video. Hello? That's gonna do some stuff. I don't know what. Okay. Next. Install. Do your job, stupid. Don't install. No, install it. Because I don't care. This is just a virtual machine. Turn off. Now, close this and wait for this to finish. Full screen. Not really full screen. It's not going to be available until I finish installing the drive. And while it's installing, I want to explore a little bit this Windows. It's running only on 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is interesting. 2 gigabytes, and it's kind of running slow, but I will say it's running okay. The clock, some images, and the headlines. It's not connected to any Wi-Fi or whatsoever. It's not bridged to my actual Wi-Fi. And now it's crashed. You know, I take back my words. You need more than 2 gigabytes to run this as smooth as you can. I want it to go as low as it can be because it's Windows Vista and they say it doesn't need that much hardware to run. But this is a virtual machine, so of course it does need hardware. Now it's just not working. I might crush that thing myself. I'm so stupid. All right, let's just maybe wait. Is it working now? Nope. Still crashed. Please. It took me 40 minutes just to install Windows Vista. Now it's going to take me more time to install the drivers, which is really annoying. I hate that thing. What do I do now? It's literally not working. Come on. Oh, it did something. Okay, not that bad. Okay, but it's only showing a widescreen. Can I open something else? Alright, obviously not. I hate Windows Vista. I'm not gonna say that again. Or I might say it again. I hate Windows Vista, especially on a virtual machine. This is not the best experience. I don't know if it's my fault or not, kind of my fault for having a shitty PC, but still, this is Windows Vista. I don't know how old is Windows Vista at this point. So from 2007, 16 years? Is it 16 years old? No. I'm bad at maths, but how old is Windows Vista? How old it is? Oh, 17 years old. Okay. Interesting. So I'm not that bad at maths. 16, 17, the same thing. Don't ask me. And now we're crashed. Amazing. Good. Perfect. All I want is, I love Windows Vista. Super, super good. Can you please do something, Windows? Please? Maybe start working back again? It shows that it's doing something, kind of, but it just crashed. Maybe I should just restart, right? Let's just do that, because I don't care what will happen after that. Let's just turn off that thing, starts again. Amazing. For some reasons, it shows me that thing every time I launch. Yep, go ahead. I know it's gonna work, don't worry. And the mouse is going wild. What am I doing? Let me get my wires. Oh my god. Alright, anyways, it's working. Just turn off that. And how can I get my mouse? Oh, it's stuck now. Oh shit. Oh no, please. Can I get my mouse outside this window? Nope. Why not? Is it still working? I don't know. Maybe not. Is it doing something? It's just not working now. Did I fuck this up again? Oh no, it's working now. That's right. And my mouse is going, no, it's not going crazy. Alright, we're good. Here we are back again. Of course. Thank you. Nope. The driver's still not installed. So if I go somewhere, I hate Windows Vista. This is super slow. It's installed on an SSD, by the way. SSD. In case you don't know what a SSD is, that's something that works better than HDD, right? I think I'm right. Yeah, but obviously the drivers are not installed. So I gotta repeat that for the second time. So I will come over here, come to computer, come to this, launch this, and hope for the best. Hello, next, install, and wait. This time I'm not gonna do anything silly. I'm just gonna wait. Install this driver, and we're gonna wait, okay? Now it's asking if I want to install this driver anyways. Yes, go ahead. Just don't crash. This is all I'm asking for. For some reasons, there is 2 windows. Oh, no, this is the C drive. I'm sorry. CD drive. Yep. Finally. Okay. We did it, people. We did it. Now I just gotta reboot. And after it reboots, yeah, just close. Come on, reboot. Thank you. Ladies and gents, we're back again. No, it's working much better, but I gotta go to the control panel. So laggy. Still laggy. I thought it's gonna work better this time, but hell no. It's not in my dreams. The only solution at this point is to install it on an actual PC, not in a virtual machine. But still. Okay, so I want to change the resolution. How do I do that? Here, I guess? Nope. How do I change the resolution? Resolution. Just screen resolution. Well, that's good. Now I go something like that. Yeah, that's better. That's way better. Advanced. What do we have in advanced? 60 Hertz. Yes, sir. Okay. And here we are. Windows Vista itself. Wondering what can I do with this? Because I have nothing to do with Windows Vista. I installed the drivers and what's next? Maybe in the next video I'll try to make this reach its actual potential, push it to its limits by doing some stuff. And yeah, that was it. Never install drivers or even install Windows Vista on a virtual machine. You all hate yourself. Yep. Anyways guys, see you in the next one.